Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Alicia today. If you haven't already done so, please subscribe to my channel. Turn on your post notifications on so you don't miss another video. Alright you guys, so in today's video, you can tell by the background, I'm doing something completely different. If you know my daughter or see her friends, they're both home and I'm filming videos when everybody is napping or not home, so yeah. Anyways, doing something different. I wanted to bring y'all along with me. We are going to change up my countertops. We've been in this home for 2 years now, and Brandon finally finished my sink. He did my dream sink that I've been wanting for like years, always in my Pinterest board, and I got it. So yeah, so now next step, I'm doing the countertops. Stuff that I can do, I will do it. I mean, not that I can't do the sink, but you know what I mean. 1 second, baby. Snack break. Yeah. Can I have one? Okay. Go with Dada. Okay, guys. Clear my throat. Go Dada. Okay. Okay, guys. So I got this kit off of Amazon, and it's called Retweak It. I saw this on TikTok. I was really wanting to do like a butcher block, and I got in quotes, crazy pricing on quotes and stuff like that, and they weren't really understanding like my image and stuff like that. And then I was like, oh, I should try to do it myself. And me and Brandon just honestly don't have the time to not be without countertops for so long and just have them like holding on to each other. It's just a lot that we just don't really have time. So I actually came across this on my TikTok, and it was something that was easier. It's something that we can be without our countertops for 4 days. So let me show y'all the kit. So it's called Retweak It. It comes with your own like wooden stain kit. It has 5 steps. So I already had prepped the countertops so that way it's not such a long video. I already cleaned all of the surfaces, scraped some parts, and then also sanded it down. So that's done. So I actually haven't opened it yet, you guys. So I'm like seeing everything with y'all. All right. So need help, contact us. I might need help. But I think that's the stain. And this is going to be satin. And this is the primer. So I'm going to use this first. This is what I need to use first. So I'm going to use this. Hi. I already told them that you're here, so if I talk to you. Okay, I went ahead and re-sanded again, and so now I'm just gonna go ahead and do the primer. I already shaked it up, and I'm using their brush that it came with. So we'll get started. Okay, it's a lot later, you guys. Brandon ended up helping me with like the back part. He was talking about don't get paint on the sink, and even though I wasn't, homeboy got paint himself. So yeah, I don't know what he's talking about. But anyways, so I actually had to go in with like 3 more coats of this paint. I guess because my countertops were dark as heck, you know? So I don't know if y'all can see, the shadow. But it's supposed to be like kind of like a wood, like base coat look, like wood vibe. So this is what comes with this, and I've just been scraping it with this, and you just kind of like go gently. So only this part is done, and then we're not like finished. I still have like the wood stain, and then the wood stain will obviously bring out the design, and then I have to seal it with what is it called, epoxy. So it's dry, but I'm like not gonna touch it. My hands are so dirty, you guys. I don't even know why I have my wedding rings on, but yeah. But it's been coming off. It feels like a chalk vibe. It's been coming off, so I'm not worried about it. So yeah, and then I also ran out, so I didn't even get to finish my other side. This side is the second coat, and then we still got this other little part that needs a second coat, but I'm letting it dry right now. So luckily I got it from Amazon, and Amazon has you know, the Prime, so I'm gonna get the other tomorrow. So I'm gonna finish that side tomorrow. I'm gonna try to do at least this part, so that way I can just stain it all together, and then that little piece is be the only one that I have to wait on. And so we don't really use that piece, so I'm like, I'm totally fine. We have like a small countertop, but I mean, like, we don't, like, you know, dishes are everywhere. Okay. We did get it on here, Brandon, you guys, but it's okay because I'm gonna repaint them, so I'm not mad. And wear an old shirt. This wasn't old, but I don't know what I was thinking. So it's late. It's 8:40. Started at 6, so it's a long process. And then especially because I honestly didn't know what I was doing, so I was just following the instructions, and then it has like a bunch of QR codes that, like, you know, snap it by step, but then like the step-by-step don't make sense. So that's why I'm filming, because, you know, so that way we can all go along together and stuff like that. But so far it's not as bad. It's just really time consuming because I got baby. Brandon thinks that, you know, man, you guys, y'all know he thinks he can do it better. But I taught him, I was like, homeboy, you're not doing it. I had to redo it. I literally painted it all over, but it's okay. He tried. So I'm like kind of scared. It's still drying, so I'm gonna just let it dry. Honestly, I'll probably just do tomorrow because I don't know, I don't want to risk it. Epoxy. So I need to let this dry for at least 2 hours. Then once it's done, then I'm gonna go ahead and do the stain. After the stain dries, then I'll do the epoxy, and then that's when we can't touch it for like 4 days. It says a week, but at least 4 days, no liquid. So hopefully we can last with our countertops like that. But I really like how it came out. It actually opens up my kitchen, like it looks lighter and stuff. I just love, love, love it. And then next step, obviously I'm gonna do the backlash, but don't get too excited, Alicia. This is how it's gonna be for a little bit, but I love it. I love, love, love it. Yay. All right, guys, last step. I know I probably should be wearing gloves, but I don't listen. So literally I'm just sealing it. It's just like a clear coat, but this is like the most important part because it like helps it from like tarnishing or like turning yellow and stuff. Okay, it is now 11 o'clock, you guys, so I'm like, but anyways, so I just finished sealing it, what I last had spoke with you guys. So I completely sealed everything. I just wanted to mention before I forget, this is like, what is it called? So it has low odor, which is really good. So like I've been painting this whole entire time and it doesn't smell like toxic. Because I remember when I painted the counters the very first time, which y'all saw the black, it literally stunk up the whole house for like 3 days. Had the windows open, had the doors open, like it was so bad, like really bad, especially with a baby. You know, you don't want those chemicals in your home, like smelling. And I was acting like I was Joanna Gaines, you know, but now I am. I'm just kidding. So anyways, that's one thing. It has low odor, so you don't smell, literally you don't smell anything, which is really, really good. Another thing is that it helps from yellowing, like I had told y'all, tarnishing or whatever. It's food safe, so which is really, really good because, you know, whenever you're cutting stuff up, like it's safe. So that's why I really went with this company, because I did a lot of research, and not only that, it gave me what I wanted, which is like the fox wood look, but it was super affordable and it had everything that I was looking for in it, and like a combo that was already like all together. Even though I had to buy an extra thing of primer, in reality it was because my counters were super dark. So maybe that's not gonna happen to you guys whenever y'all are trying to try it, but that's literally it. So I honestly think that was why. But I really love how it came out. So now I'm gonna do a video to show y'all like how it came out, and then once the kitchen is completely done, when I have time to finish the whole kitchen, then I will show y'all like another video of like me doing the backsplash and stuff like that, and like completing this video, or completing the kitchen. Sorry, I'm extremely tired. It's 11 o'clock. I've been doing this all day, okay? But let me show y'all real quick. All right, you guys, so that is it. I hope y'all enjoyed it. I hope y'all liked my little DIY. I love DIYing. If there's any possible way that I can do it or make my husband do it, girl, we doing it. I don't want to pay nobody, okay? But I hope y'all really enjoyed this video. You know, y'all know what to do. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Turn on your post notifications so you don't miss the next video, you guys. And leave a comment if y'all like what I did, like if I did a good job or what. Like, come on now, I saved us so much money. So hello. But anyways, I do like it, but I'll see you on the next video. Bye guys.